So here we have the first question, worded problem. You have 8 sweets, share the sweets between 2 children. Draw the groups. So the total is 8. We should notice that that's the largest number. That is the total, that's the number that we have. So we're not going to have 10 sweets, 12 sweets. The amount of sweets that we are sharing is 8. And we are sharing them between 2 children. So how many groups have we got? We've got 2. We've drawn the groups. Remember, when we are sharing or grouping, we share them equally. So if I share these equally, I've got 1 in each, 2 in each, 3 in each, 4 in each. So I've gone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I haven't gone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because if you added 8 and 8 together, that's 16. That isn't the amount that we have of sweets. Okay? So how many is in each of them? 4. So 8, remember, because that's the total number, that always goes first with division, divided into 2 groups means that we've got 4 in each group. So you've got this question here. You have 10 cakes. Share the cakes between 5 children. Draw the groups. So I want you to have a go at this. You can either share them into circles like this, or if you wanted to do the bar model, you could use this. So I want you to have a go at that now. Pause the video and upload a picture of your answers.